till his 21st year. If he could learn to love another and earn her love in return.
Hey, Payton,
the last petal
what is that?
Then the spell.
Are you just gonna play with the paper?
If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed,
He has to take every scrap of paper off of it.
and lost all hope. For who could ever learn to love a beast?
What is it, baby? Do you know what it is yet? I hope it's not like this at Christmas. It's gonna take her all day to open up presents. So what is it, honey? Do you know what it is yet? Okay, I'll wait. Did you get it all? What is it, sweetie? Is it a choo-choo train? Yeah, it's choo-choo. You see it? Okay, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna play choo-choo train for a little bit, okay? Payton. Bye-bye.